So more on these notes. I think what I'm going to do is just try and read them through because I'm bouncing all over the place and I'm not really getting to the things I want to get. And this is probably going to end up to be several parts, but so part 2. So I'm just going to start from the beginning. Talked about Kepra to the nurse on Tuesday morning, then again Tuesday evening. I couldn't remember if I talked to her or not. Also, the aide said that they would go immediately to the ward advisor / boss and get the ombudsman's phone number. But the nurse came in and reminded me we had talked Tuesday and left. So did the aide. I never received the number. I was also told that my meds were only scheduled during the day, but not at night. So if I wanted one at night, I had to wake up and ask for it. Also, was then informed I needed an enema because I hadn't had a BM, bowel movement. Well, I'd had a few ones. So I told them about that earlier, but I hadn't had any sense, and I would prefer a Senecot. I did get one. And now I try to go to the bathroom, but the pain is so great. I can't sit on the seat long enough to have a BM to happen. Unless it's right there, like let's prairie dogging it. Sorry for the crassness. So I went back to bed. I got into my barely tolerable position, and in walked a lady with the ombudsman. The phone number for them. I will call in a little bit when I feel a little bit better, ? Or wait to talk to one of my aunts. I think it's raining out too. The next day, the ombudsman came, and Nurse Kelly, who I spoke about previously, was happy to inform her on how many drugs I was on. And the ombudsman was a waste of time. Nice lady, but no clue. She had ideas of things that I've tried years ago and couldn't understand why they didn't work, and thought I'd just do better eventually. I asked to talk to a doctor at least 2 days in a row and finally got put on the list, quote unquote, today, which was Thursday. My BP last night was high. This morning it was high. It's never high. The next note is pain is preventing me from taking care of myself and healing correctly. I can't even sit on the toilet long enough to have a